everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Stella Live, and in today's video I thought we would do some spooky baking for Valloween. I do have two choices set out here. We can either make chocolate cake or fudge brownies. I am leaning towards the chocolate cake because I feel like it's easier to decorate a cake than it is a brownie. Maybe that's just me. So we'll do cake today, and then I also have these strawberries sitting in this cute spider bowl so I can snack on them while I am melting some chocolate in this fondue bowl. Got some Hershey's that we can melt, and then I also have these molds. I have this mold with the eyeballs and the vampire fangs, and then I have this one with the small skulls, and then I have a larger one back here, a larger set of skulls back here. I think these are way too big though, so I think we won't use these. No, we will use probably the smaller ones. Okay. And then I also have this mixing bowl that I thought we could mix the cake in. And then it also comes with this snake spatula. I got this past Halloween season at Home Goods. And then I also have some tea lights for the fondue bowl. And then we've got some whipped milk chocolate frosting. And then we've got our ingredients, the eggs and the vegetable oil. And then I also have these. I got these on clearance, not this past season, but the season before. And it is these little skull picks. These are for cupcakes, but I was like, maybe we could use them, maybe not. I don't know. They've got some black and white sprinkles in here, though, that we could possibly maybe use if it's not expired. So, I also have some raspberries that I thought we could put on the cake as well. And I thought we would do like a skull and roses theme on the cake, since that's what I did for my Decorate With Me for Valloween. If you haven't seen that, I will link that down below. And let's go ahead and start making our brownies. I already preheated the oven, and we are going to be using this circular cake pan. I do have a Halloween cake pan, but it's square, and I want a round cake. So that's what we're going to be using. While I was dumping everything in here, I realized that I probably should have started the fondue bowl. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now before I start mixing everything. I only have vanilla scented candles. I tried looking for unscented ones, but apparently I don't have any. So I picked the one that wasn't going to overpower the smell of melted chocolate. I have never used one of these, so I'm kind of wondering how long it's going to take to heat that up. Because I did just put 2 chocolate bars in there. So we'll see. I think we'll just like fill the top half. It doesn't need to be a whole skull. So we'll just fill the top half with chocolate. I might need to do 1 more bar. Probably need a fork. I wanted to show you guys these forks really quick. These are black forks, but like when they're in the light, they kind of look silver, but they also still look black. They're really cool. I got them from Walmart. Okay, so the cake has about 7 minutes left, and I noticed that the chocolate is fully melted. I do think I said I put 2 chocolate bars in there, but I do still have 2 more chocolate bars. I put one in the refrigerator because I think I want to use chocolate shavings on top of the cake. And then I have this extra one if I want to dip the strawberries in there, or if I don't have quite enough chocolate to fill the skulls. I think I just want 4 to decorate the cake with. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm thinking that I'm going to just put the cake in the refrigerator for a few hours. Just so you know, it's a little bit easier to decorate. It has taken everything in me not to grab a strawberry and dip it in the chocolate. I was like, I have to make the skulls before I can dig into the strawberries. Oh yeah, we should have plenty of chocolate. I already did 1 skull and there's quite a bit of chocolate left. So I might not have to wait for the other chocolate bar to melt before I can eat a chocolate covered strawberry. I might make a few actually. So my original intention for today's video was actually to do some ghost faced strawberries, but I was like, I really want to do something that matches what I did to my tree, and this is what I thought of. So this is what we're doing. Also, I don't know how great I would be at decorating strawberries. So, all right, so there is plenty of chocolate left. I was able to fill up 4 of these, so I can dip a couple strawberries in the chocolate, get my chocolate covered strawberry fix. And then, I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but I do want to do some strawberry roses. That's why I decided to include the strawberries, because we did roses on my Valloween tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the fridge, and then I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. All right, it's been a few hours since I baked the cakes. They've been sitting in the fridge. I took a nap for a couple of hours, and it was not a great nap. I feel like I didn't even sleep. Anyways, if you noticed, I have some more chocolate sitting in here because I decided that I'm going to decorate the cake completely different than how I originally intended to decorate it. It's still going to have skulls and roses, but I need a lot more skulls. So that's why we're melting more chocolate. I really wanted to get this video up by 8 o'clock tonight, and yeah, that's just not gonna happen. I think it's 7:06 right now. It's not gonna happen. Okay, I did forget to grease these pans, so we'll see how difficult it is to get them out. We're gonna go ahead and frost it now. I'm just gonna do chocolate frosting all over the cake, and then once I get this melted, I kind of wanted to do like a little drip around the cake. I bought this, so we'll see how that turns out. And then I wanted to pile all of the skulls up top. Okay, so we got the cake frosted. Now I'm making some more skulls, and then here in a second I'm going to add some more chocolate to this so it can melt, and then I'm going to fill up that little tube and squirt some chocolate down the sides of the cake. Okay, because I am so smart, I realized that I probably should have gotten dark chocolate to put on the cake. That's why I just went ahead and just like squiggled it on there. But now I'm going to take these skulls and plop them on top somewhere. And then I'm going to need a bunch more. I've got 4 more in the freezer right now, and I probably need to melt some more chocolate. Alright, so this is how my cake turned out. I had intentions of adding giant strawberry roses down here, but the pin that I saw on Pinterest did not end up working out. I wasn't able to cut the strawberries in thin enough slices to do the little rolly thing. I'll link the pin down below. But I do have this blood red glaze. I was going to say glaze. Blood red glaze that I thought I could put over top of the cake. I don't know if I just want to do down here or just the skulls or the whole cake, but I wanted to add something else to it. So I think this is what I'm going to use. This might be a mistake. Okay, I wanted to give you guys the full effect of me putting this on here, so I picked you up. Alright, we're gonna just go ahead and put it on the skulls. Alright, so this is how the cake turned out. I actually really love this. I'm so glad that I decided to put the blood red glaze on, just because it adds something, and because the roses didn't work out, you know, I had something else to fall back on. Alright, that is going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and hopefully I will have another video up this Friday. My intention is to do Fridays, but I might have to move it to Sundays. We'll see. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you guys all next time. Bye!